Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do an ollie on a skateboard. This will be the easiest tutorial for ollieing on a skateboard, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have my skateboard over here. I recently got it and I used to skateboard as a kid. I wasn't amazing, but I was pretty good. And I got this and I figured I'd show you how to do some stuff on a skateboard. Now, just for the record, I am mid-30s. I'm 36 at the time of filming this. So, you know, higher mid-30s. I'm about 205 pounds. So if I can ollie, then honestly, after not skateboarding for like basically the better part of 20 plus years, if I can ollie, then anybody can ollie, okay? So it's not gonna be great, but I can still do it. It's not gonna be fantastic, but I literally just got this very, like a few days ago. So, and I'm sorry, the garage is on a little bit of a slope sometimes, so, and the wheels are really, really good, like the bearings are really good, so it's gonna take me a moment to just get my balance on here, but I'll show you what it's gonna look like, okay? Just like this. Woo! Okay, that was a little bit rough. Let's try and do a little bit of a better one, and then I'll show you how to do it, okay? Just so you know. Like I said, in a better situation on the road, if I'd practiced a bit more, I'd be able to do it much better, but still, I can still get it up in the air. So check this out, just like this. Not bad. Okay, so like I said, not great, but if I can pop an ollie, then honestly, pretty much anybody can pop an ollie. We'll do one more just for fun. That was solid, bro, solid. Okay, very, very easy to do for the most part. Okay, let's move the skateboard. So essentially what you're doing is you're jumping up. Now when you jump up regularly, you're just gonna go like this, but you're not doing that. What you're doing is you're jumping up and one foot is gonna be on the tail of the skateboard. The foot that is on the tail of the skateboard is pushing with more pressure. You're basically pressurizing your tail skateboard foot. So in my case, this one's on the tail over here. I'm pressurizing this one more, and as I jump up, okay, you can actually hear the tail of the skateboard hit the floor. So as that happens, I'm getting the other foot that is on the middle of the skateboard and I'm sliding it out. So essentially what you're doing is something like this. I'm gonna do it without the skateboard, like this. Yeah, just like that. So you're gonna go like this. You're gonna practice without the skateboard. So just like this, okay? I'll try and do it a little bit slower. I'm not gonna slow it down in the video, but I'll try and do it slower. Something like this, yeah, like that. Now essentially, the reason I'm calling this the easiest tutorial is because I'm breaking it down so simplistically, okay? So as I said before, get on the skateboard. Once you practice a few times not using a skateboard, you're gonna get on the skateboard, you're gonna get your balance, get your feet in the position. You want one foot on the tail of the skateboard, the other foot in the middle, and you're not doing it exactly like this. You want this foot to be on a slight angle, okay? And you want it to be not like this, like in the middle, but maybe like your toe is gonna be, you know, about here, because you're sort of pushing on your toe on the ball of your feet, okay? And you're gonna pop it up. Oh, look at that, oh my gosh. That was the best one yet. See all that practice without being on the skateboard? Paid off. We're gonna try it again. Let's see if we can pop it up even higher. Let's see. Yeah! Ah! Okay, so I'm just joking. That didn't hurt at all. I'm just joking. But yeah, I used to do a trick like this, like boom, and I would jump on. That was back in the day. Anyways, yeah, that's essentially how to ollie on a skateboard. Honestly, if like I said, mid-30s, 200 plus pounds, and I haven't skateboarded basically the better part of 20 plus years, and if I just had a full day, like I'm filming this, it's about 8:15 p.m. And I have 4 young kids, and I was with all 4 kids, you know, for the most part by myself the whole day. My wife was around a little bit, but she had a lot of errands to do. So if I can ollie in this situation, then you definitely can as well. Yeah, oh yeah, ooh. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna stop right there. But like I said, hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Practice not on the skateboard first, then get on the skateboard, and you'll be able to get it up in the air, pop it up. I feel like, you know, I'm tempting fate by trying it one more time, but I just want to get one solid one. Woo! Let's get our balance again, just really quickly right over here. And yeah, not bad, eh? All right, bet you guys, those that are subscribers to the channel that have watched many of my videos, you're like, there's no way this guy can skateboard. Well, guess what? Yes, I can, except I'm massively out of breath and dehydrated. I gotta go get some water. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed the video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know, sorry about that. I got some ink on my hand. I was just writing my notes for all of my videos that I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna film a few more tonight. So Anyways, I thoroughly hope you've enjoyed the video. If you liked the tutorial, the instructional video, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up with my inky fingers like that. Anyways, I feel like I'm just rambling on, so we're going to keep it short and sweet. If you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.